everyone, and welcome to another baking video. Today we're going to make lemon cake, which is a very dense and a very moist cake. Is bursting with the flavors of lemon. So we're going to be using one lemon here, which is we're going to use both the rind of the lemon and the extract, the lemon extract. So you just need a very simple box grater like this to grate the rind. Make sure that you do not take the white part of the rind, only the outer yellow portion. When you grate it, you will just get the yellow portion and you will get something like this, which is the lemon rind, which gives all the flavor to the cake. So we have the ingredients here we are using today is we have butter, that is 250 grams of unsalted butter I'm using. You could use salted butter if you want to, but then you just need to omit the salt from the recipe. So you have unsalted butter, you have 250 grams of custard sugar. I'm using custard sugar. Custard sugar is very fine sugar, fine grain. It's easier to use fine grain because it blends with the butter very fast, and the mixing process will be faster. You have flour, which is all-purpose flour. I'm using 250 grams. So you can see that 250 grams of butter, 250 grams of custard sugar, 250 grams of flour. Okay, rind of one lemon, juice of one whole lemon, that is here. You have 4 eggs. You have quarter cup of milk, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and you have 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Try and use good quality vanilla extract. And yeah, that's about the ingredients. Now we start the process by you can use again a hand beater. You don't need a tabletop blender. So I'm putting the butter in. Butter is 250 grams. Again, I'm using unsalted. You could use salted or semi-salted, whichever one is available. Now with the lockdown, we are all running out of supplies, so use whatever is available in your pantry. So I add the sugar to this, and then we're going to blend this until it becomes light in color. Now it will get lighter and creamier. That's when it will take about 2 to 3 minutes for your beating the sugar and butter together. Make sure that your butter is at room temperature so that it's easier to beat it and you will get a very smooth cake. So this has been baking for about 2 minutes now, so I'm going to stop the blender and okay, you can have a look at the mixer. It's become nice and creamy and light in color. That means it's ready. Now the next ingredient that goes in will be our 4 eggs. You can add them one at a time, but since I'm using this, I'm just putting all together. Start the beater, and just maybe about 10 seconds is more than enough. So this is your sugar, butter and egg mixture. To this I'm going to be adding the vanilla essence. This is 1 tablespoon. The lemon extract. This is 1 whole lemon. And the milk. The lemon rind here. And salt. We just give this one whisk, and then we will add the dry ingredient, which is our flour and baking powder. wet ingredients in. Now we will add our baking powder and flour together. So it's a very simple recipe. Now everything has gone in, and the final mixing. Do not overbeat, because overbeating will not help the cake to rise. It will deflate the cake. So there we are done. Now all I have to do is scrape the sides and put it into a baking pan. You can see it's a very good aroma of the rind and the lemon extract. So batter is ready. Now I'm using a bundt pan here. You can use any pan. You can use a loaf pan, you can use a round tin, or anything, whichever you have available. I'm using a bundt pan. So what I've done is I have slightly buttered it and put some flour. I have dusted with flour so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now I just need to pour the batter into the pan. So our batter has been poured into the pan. As I said, this is a bundt pan. You can use any pan. Once you pour it in, tap it twice on the table so that if there are any air pockets, it will be gone. And yeah, the cake, now you put it into the preheated oven. I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And it will take about 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And when your cake is done, it will start leaving the sides of the pan. Or you can use a skewer. When you poke the skewer in and pull it out, it should come out clean. Okay, so let's put the cake in the oven, the batter, and let's wait for it to bake. Okay, so our cake is out of the oven now. It's ready, as you can see it. It's been cooling for about 10 minutes now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it onto a cake board. Okay, you can see it looks nice and it smells heavenly. So I'm just going to cut a piece of it and show you how it looks from inside. It's still very warm now. See this? So this is lemon bundt cake. You can have it warm with coffee or tea, or you can freeze it. You can also put it in the refrigerator, and with a scoop of ice cream or cream, you can have it as dessert. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm hoping that you will try and make it at home. And please do let me know how you like it in the comments. Thank you for watching.